Hey, this is Arlene. So anyways, I wanted to do a really quick video because, well, what happened is that I had done some other videos about my door. So I have a toolbox and, oh, he looks like the one from the freeway. Anyways, I have a toolbox and I was able to tighten my door up. So I'm thinking that whoever took my door apart, I'm not sure if they took the door out or what happened, but the paint's broken, so they definitely took it out to make repairs that way. So anyways, I tightened it and it seems to be working way better. So whoever took the doorknob out didn't put it back properly, and I think that's what happened. So could be wrong, maybe not, but that's basically what happened. So I don't think there's gonna be it should be working fine, and there shouldn't be any problems with it. So I just wanted to do a really quick video for it, just to document it. That's it, and it's October 31st, 2019, in Los Angeles, California.